all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know, just by the sight of that box, some of you are already leaving me a nasty comment. Well, you know what, that's cool. Thank you for that. Seriously, thank you. But yeah, we've got something else from Eafengrow on the channel today. And this one we're going to take a look at is the Eafengrow EF211. Now, one of the biggest reasons I wanted to get this guy is it's got a gentleman's blade Higo no Kami look to it. And also, this is the one, and there's the card right there, that I did that life vlog, only me about. So here it is, finally here on the channel. Now, it does have that gentleman's look because it's sleek, small, and elegant. Not really going to scare a lot of people. But it has that look, seriously, overall, of like a traditional Higo no Kami, which I kind of like. So I went, all right, let's buy it, let's bring it. You know, it is kind of budget-friendly, which is a huge thing like this playlist that this thing's going to go into. Plus the fact I got a lot of money towards the end of the year, so okay. Now, look. I know you can only really find Eafengrows on Amazon, alright? But they do now have an Instagram presence at Eafengrow. So at least there's something, right? Alright, the fit, the finish, the looks. I just love that gold on that gray. It gave a really, really good look to it, you know? So I went, alright, well, let's just give it a look-see, bring it to the channel, and have a little bit of fun. Sorry, allergies, not COVID, fat boy, you know. I also found it funny, you know, with, well, the vent holes or the air holes or the go fast holes, whatever you want to call them. I just looked at that and went, isn't that cute? All right, let's get into the stats and the fun like we usually do. So it's got an overall length of about 8.2 inches. The blade's about 3.5, and closed it's about 4.7. It's got a pretty okay weight to it of about 4.58 ounces. Now it is done, you can call it reverse Tonto, you can call it Warncliffe, or traditional Higo no Kami. You take your pick, you're watching, I'm sure you're going to yell at me and tell me whatever. Got a plain edge. They say it's got about a flat grind, and alright, let's get into it. D2 steel. Now, some of you may remember a little bit ago when I did a PMI test on an Eafengrow blade, it wasn't D2 steel. So, I also know that D2 steel used to be a super steel that you would pay extra for. With new steels that have come out and different stuff, the favor of D2 has kind of fallen off. So, if you believe it's D2, it's D2. If you believe it's HCR 13 MLV, you believe it's HCR 13 MLV. I'm just giving you the facts. They say it's got a Rockwell rating of about 58 to 60. Here's the other part. It's got a titanium alloy frame. Go figure. Okay? Now, I know with doing some research on some other stuff, there's some lower end on the titanium spectrum, there's some higher end, and I'm kind of curious about something, so hold on a second. Okay, sorry. I just remembered from another viewer a little bit ago that said hold a magnet on it, and if it stays, it's not titanium. So, we're going to put that there for now. Now, let's see what happens. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. He was too near the screws. So, okay, maybe it is titanium. So, we'll go with there. As you can see, it does have a frame lock. We do have a flipper open. Now, I've found that most of these have like little ball bearings in there, but I have yet to open it up to verify on this one, okay? Yes, it is made in China. Oh yeah, I forgot, sorry. Only one to carry, right-hand carry, tip up. And it is made in China, but I have found out recently they have a U.S. distributor out of Lexington, Kentucky. So, alright, at least I got that going for them. But like I said, I know the name alone is going to get me a lot of hate, but it's cool. So, let's do those cut tests that we usually do. Now, we usually only do 3. And why do we do these 3? Look right up there. Going to leave you a card for why I do those 3. As we usually do, heavy-duty stock paper. And this one's coming to the end of its life. Yeah, I'm not liking that. Oh, yeah. Not liking that. It's like it gets to a point and it just doesn't want to cut. You guys noticing that? Alright, I'm not even going to go for a curly cue. I'm not. I'm not really seeing anything on the blade that would be doing that. But okay, I think I know what's about to happen here. We're about to go into the struggle test. Yes, Bill Rivers, I'm still calling it that. You named it, bud, so until it starts changing, that's what it's staying. Alright, what do you think the odds are that I smack the camera here in a moment? Pull test. Oh, God damn. Big ol' fail. Yeah, went through with the slice. Would not. Damn. Slice. I'll let you guys decide. I don't think it's perfect. I don't think it's bad, but could be better. But holy crap, these pull tests with this paracord. Alright, Mr. Ratchet Strap. Let's see if you do any better, buddy. Okay. As we usually do. I don't see anything on the blade. A little bit of snow, that's about it. But okay, so today is August 26th, 2021, and I did all the homework and all that wonderful stuff on August 14th, 2021. There is only single one place you can find Eafengrow's, Amazon. Now, as of August 14th, when I went in to do the homework on this guy, you currently can't find it as of August 14th. I have not looked as of August 26th. But still, when I put the video up and leave the link down below if you want to buy one, if you see the link, you know they're available. Okay, so it's going to run you $39.99. It's been reviewed 45 times for a 4.3 out of 5-star rating. Oh, I'm going to hate myself for this. But it is my most favorite part of the video. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, and anger. All that fun stuff right down below. It's an Eafengrow, so I bet it's going to be hate-filled. I just know it. Anywho, do you also think this one is a nice or an F-bomb? A nice or an F-bomb? I like the look of it. I like, the vent holes. I like the weirdness of it. So I went, okay, let me bring it. It's not going to be carried probably again. I may give this away to somebody who's just starting out, but that's just me. So, for you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say, hey, thanks for watching today's insanity. If you like what you saw, give me a big old thumbs up. It's only going to help trigger that algorithm and, get the channel exposed to some more people. That sounds bad, but all of you know what I mean. And I'm sorry for anybody who needs counseling for me saying, get it exposed. But for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Leave me a comment right down below. Be nice, okay? Just be nice. You never know how your comment may change the history of this channel. Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, guys, I got a little bit more for you. Well, to ask of you. It's all free. I know, I'm asking a lot. Especially with showing you an Eafengrow blade. I know some people are already spouting teeth and everything else. Take a look right down there in that corner. You're going to see a big old channel symbol popping up here in just a moment. Please click on it. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you beat the crap out of it, please destroy that little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question, you. Because that will let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, two will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the Eafengrow EF211 folding knife. Thank you all for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day, a safe day, and I'll see you in our next video.